three words to describe Singapore: clean, structured. I cannot say expensive, right? While Singapore will never be the cheapest location to build a manufacturing site, people tend to forget that Singapore has the right ecosystem to basically add a lot of value to business and not just cost. Hello, I'm Eric Monzon, Vice President and General Manager for Edwards Lifesciences in Singapore. This is a shape of a leaflet. A leaflet basically is how our heart valve looks like. Edwards Lifesciences is a part of the medtech industry, and our company focusing in making heart valves for structural heart diseases. Our product is used in human body. For us to be able to meet all those requirements, it's all about the people. And in Singapore, the abundance of the right talent is definitely a key factor. We have 98% of our professionals, supervisors, and technicians that are actually local. JPAC as a super region is actually one of the key growth driver for Edwards as a whole. Whatever we build here is actually not just for the local market, but also for the global market. Edwards Lifesciences' global supply chain strategy is basically to support the growth across all the different regions. We have been moving into a strategy that we call vertical integration, where we want each of the sites to be self-sufficient, and we don't have to rely shipment from each of the other sites. Singapore is important with regards to our vertical integration strategy. We are the only site in Asia region that will be able to support JPAC. And at the same time, with the supply base that's out there in this region, with the talent pool, the research facilities, universities, if I look at Singapore, what we are doing here, partnering with the government, the ecosystem that the government has created and supporting all the different industries, this is something that you don't see in other countries. And that's the reason why Edwards continue to grow in Singapore, and that is why Singapore is so important to us. A little known fact about the medtech industry. Augmented reality is already one key thing in this industry. They can actually look at data real time. We have embarked in two types of automations. One is product automations that actually brings a lot of value to our industry and to our company. Since last year, we have been partnering with A-STAR, which is the agency for science, technology, and research, to really look at what are the technology out there, what are the resources out there, what are the different talents out there that we can actually tap into and expedite our development of our own automation system. The impact of medtech industry encompasses improving the quality of life as well as actually saving life.
Thank you.